There's not a whole lot to see when I do this. Actually, welcome back, I should say. You might be watching this as one long video. So the next step is to apply the interfacing. So your interfacing and your exterior fabric should be cut to the same size. So you're going to put that on, and then you're going to apply this with an iron or with a heat press or ironing press. We're going to do all of the interfacing to the exterior fabric first. If you need to apply interfacing to your chosen lining fabric, you do that at the same time too. So I get it lined up over here on my table, and then I take it over to my press and apply it over there. So I'm going to, before I put the interfacing on these are just a little wrinkled, so I'm going to smooth those out first. This doesn't need interfacing, that's my zipper tab, but I will smooth that out first, and then I will put the interfacing on, so I won't get that set up here. So I'm going to go and do that, and then I'll be back to show you how to position your fleece. Now I have the interfacing applied to my exterior fabric, to my wrist strap, to my D-ring attachment. I need to center the fleece and then apply the fleece. So the fleece is cut smaller around all sides. We did it an inch smaller in length and width, so it's ½ an inch around each side. We want to center it up on both pieces, making sure that if you have directional fabric, your boxes are at the bottom. Otherwise, it's your fabric's going to be upside down. So center that up and take that over to your iron and apply that fleece, and I will meet you back here. Now we have the fleece applied to our exterior. So we're down to these two exterior pieces, our two lining pieces, and our zipper tab. If you're doing the wrist strap with the D-ring, you'll have those pieces as well. So the next thing that we'll be doing is going to be installing our zipper. So I will see you back here tomorrow to do that. Bye.